Those of us that use the sites do not have a death wish, as some may think. We want to live.
Katie Resendez is a safe consumption site user who visits the one in Kensington Market a few times a week. She's one of the applicants in a legal challenge the site's operator, the Neighborhood Group, is bringing against the province to fight legislation that would close it and 9 other sites for being too close to daycares or schools.
I've been a high-functioning addict or substance user for, the last 16 years, and I've been able to work and maintain a job, and a lot of that has to do with safe consumption sites.
The legal challenge filed against the province argues the legislation violates multiple sections of the Charter. For example, the lawyers behind it say the increased risk of death drug users will face violates their right to life under Section 7.
The law also violates Section 12 of the Charter. That part of the Charter protects Canadians from cruel and unusual punishment, and that's what this act is. It is cruel and unusual punishment.
The act to close the sites was brought forward by Ontario's Solicitor General, who repeated talking points about the sites leading to public drug use.
Use of illegal substances in our parks, that's not right. Our parks are for our kids and for our families.
Last week, a report from the Auditor General said the Health Ministry recognizes internally that closing the sites will lead to increased public drug use and an increase of discarded needles in public.
This will have the opposite effect of what they're saying they're trying to achieve, because when you close safe consumption sites, the entire neighborhood becomes an unsafe consumption site.
Asked about the legal challenge this morning, the Premier said he was unaware of it, but he spoke generally about his government's approach to addiction Monday.
We're putting another $360 million in to make sure that we have the hubs that take care of people, not just feed them drugs, but make sure they have shelter, they have employment, make sure we have detox beds for them.
But those with first-hand experience say an abstinence-based treatment model won't work.
If you're not ready, you're not ready. And what these safe consumption sites allow is for those of us that are not ready to be safe.
Lane Harrison, CBC News, Toronto.